Good morning. So, we are present with a new series today that is automation testing. Many of you might be aware of this role in the IT industry or might not be. So, right from the beginning, as a fresher, you guys can get trained on this particular field, and this will increase your chance of selection as because you will have an extra skill, or you can say that you are already trained on this field, which will give you an edge in the placement in comparison to others. So let's get started. So I will just go with the PPT that I have documented for you guys. So this is the automation testing series by Kumar Bhargav, that is me. So if from the first word, if we will start, what we can say is, what is software testing? So as of now, please don't go with the diagram that I have pasted over here. So software testing is a method through which we can say, like, whatever the software that we have created is a bug-free software, right? Or theoretically, if we will go, is a method whether the actual software product is matching with the expected result that we want from the software. Is That is what the software testing is. We will test the expected result from the software. So that is the software testing, and it makes a software defect free, right? We will not have any glitch on the software, right? So regarding this diagram, software testing is having a lot of field like quality, reports, technical skill, improve, bugs, analysis, application. All these things we will discuss in the further sections, so we will just leave this one. So in the next one, what we can say is, what are types of software testing? So types of software testing is mainly, you can say, two parts: manual testing and automation testing. So as of now, we are not going to discuss about the manual testing part. We are just going to discuss about the automation testing part. We will cover this one only. So manual testing part we will leave. If you will have any doubt, you can comment. We will reach out to you with the solutions. So in the automation testing, we generally do the testing part of a software with the different tools and languages. So might be one of the question was popping in your mind is, what is the automation testing, right? So automation testing is a software testing where we use any tools, any language, or we can say with set of tools and programming language to test the software. We just pass the manual testing part with the automation testing, so we don't require manual effort over here in the automation testing, right? So next question arises is like, if the manual testers are there in the industry, we can do the manual testing part, then why we need the automation testing? So if I want to say, like, you need to execute 1000 of the test cases, I will discuss what is test cases in the further series as well. So are you going to do that in one day? Are you going to cover all those 1000 test cases in one day? That is not possible for the humans, right? So that is where the automation testing takes place. With the help of automation testing, we can execute 1000 and 2000 of the test case anytime, anywhere, and we have lot of benefits of the automation testing. That is, it is very fast, as I told you. It is reliable. The code, whatever we will read, it will have a proper protocol. It will follow that, and we can rely. We can reuse, we can improve the accuracy, we can save the money and time, of course, because for executing one of the 1000 of the test case, it will take little bit of less time in comparison to human. Support the execution in the repeated test case, right? For the regression also, we can use the automation testing. Basically for regression only we are using the automation testing part, right? So now onwards, I will show you the magic of automation testing. I will make Chrome browser behave as I want, right? So the magic starts over here. So let's jump into the theater. So we have theater as our IntelliJ. Okay. So I will just give you a proper idea. Like here we are using Selenium and Java for our automation testing. I will give you a proper insight. You can reach out in the comment section and comment like what you want, the other information and all, right? So here we are using Selenium and programming language as Java. So this is the IntelliJ part. I have already created a project name as automation testing. This is a Gradle project. You can say over here, this is the build.gradle. So I have already created a project over here. So in the first part, what we need to do is we need to check the version of Chrome that we have in our system. Okay, so if you will check the version of Chrome, it is saying like version is 104.051.297. This is the official build, right? So what we will do, we will just go in this particular site chromedriver.chromium.org. If you will write also in the Google like driver Chrome driver for Mac. So I'm just explaining all these concept for the Mac operating system because I have the Mac operating system. I will cover for the Windows as well. So you can come on this website and you can check whether this is the latest stable release Chrome driver 104, this one. So you can download this one. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. And what you can do is, wherever this project is present in your system, as you can see, I have placed this in my document section. So you can come here and you can place this Chrome driver over here, right? And you can start writing your code. So and the second step will be in the build.gradle file. In the build.gradle file, what you can do is you can go in the nvn repositories and you can just find what is the stable version of Selenium. So I can say like 4.30 is the stable version, right? I will come in the Gradle section. I will copy this link or the dependency, and what I will do, I will place it over here as I have implemented, right? So when you will place like 3.0, right, 3.0, right? So you can see one elephant icon was over here, right? See this one. You once you will click, it will automatically download the jars. So this is the benefit of Gradle in Maven. Maven is a little bit old technologies now. Gradle is the new build technology tool. I will explain all these in the further section. So all the jar will get downloaded. So first action was to download the Chrome driver. Second action was to add the dependency over here, and the third action will be go in the main section Java, create a package over here, as I have created one package 1, and a class open Chrome. So this is my class, like first the thing that I wanted to show is how with the automation we can open the Chrome browser and we can do all the stuff on any of the particular website using our code. We don't need any manual intervention. This is the best part and this is the unique part for the automation, right? Which saves a lot of time. I will show you how speed it is manually. If you will open the browser, it will take longer time, right? So here I have created a class. Then what I will do, I will make a main over here, right? So public static void main. So first step, what we have to do is we have to configure the path of the Chrome driver, right? So how we are going to do that? We are going to do that system dot set property. Here what we will give, we will define the path web driver dot Chrome driver, and here we will pass Chrome driver. Chrome driver only, right? So as this is the Mac operating system, here we are giving the Chrome driver, right? So generally for Windows it will be Chrome driver.exe. So in the same way, we need to place Chrome driver exe in our particular folder here, and we need to provide the path of this one as we do, and we check the file information and all. You will get the path, so you can get the path and you can paste it over here, right? So now in the second step, what we will do, we will create the driver instance. Okay, driver instance. So how we are going to do that? We are going to do that with driver equals to new. Now we want Chrome driver, so we will give here as Chrome driver and this much only, right? So here the driver instance is created. Now what we want, when the driver will when driver will launch the browser, it should get maximize. So maximize the browser. So how we are going to do that? We are going to do that with driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. We have all the inbuilt function, so we don't need that much of coding. Whoever is scared with the coding part, this is only 60-40 ratio, and we will take care of that. No need to worry about that. Okay, so now we will give a little bit of wait time. So we want to define timeout. Okay, how we are going to do that? Driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait. Okay, so we want to wait for 5 seconds. Okay, now we will give here as time unit as seconds. Okay, we will close this one, and after that, what we want, we want to launch the URL. Okay, so we want to open any website, so I will just reduce some extra spaces. I was just giving for your clarity. Okay, we will just launch the URL. So how we are going to do that? Driver dot get. Okay, driver dot get, we will use this one. So we will define the URL over here, https www dot SAQC labs source demo. So this is a demo website, as I remember. I think I am typing the URL correct. So this is the one. So I will open this one in the Chrome. So right, so this is the URL. Okay, now what we can do is we can get the title, right? We can get the title. So what we are going to do that? Driver. Okay, so we will just print, right? System dot out dot println. So what is this? This is page title. Page title. Page title. Driver dot get title. Okay, so now we will perform some action. Okay, so driver dot find element by dot xpath. So this is the way to find an element, right? So how we will do that? We will find the this element. So we will inspect this one and we will do command F. This area will get open and we can see this is the input for this one, user name. Okay, so we will just identify this one. Okay, right. So what we have over here is username. So here we can go with the id because we have got the id. So id is the best xpath. So don't worry about all these regarding xpath and all. We will take care. We will give you proper classes on this for finding the xpath and all. At the rate id equals, what is this, user name. So we will just copy this one and we will paste it over here, username. Easy. So we have got one out of one match. We will just select, we will copy, we will come here in the string format, we will paste it here. Okay, and dot we will do send keys. Okay, so send keys, what we want to send over here, we want to send over here as Kumar Bhargava as the username, right? So we will do, and at last what we want to do, we want to close the browser. So we will do driver dot quit. Okay, so this is the thing. We will select all the code, format code. Yeah, that's fine. Now we will run, we will see how it is going to work. It is starting, it launched the browser, it maximized, and now it should type. So it failed somewhere, like, okay, it is not able to find the element, this element username. Okay, so what we are going to do is, this is the problem. See, this was not there, but accidentally I copied this also. So now again I will execute. So again Chrome is launched, and see, title is Swag Labs. So title got printed. So if you want to just stop and see like what happened, so what I will do, I will do here as I will give a debug point. I will give a debug point here and here, and I will show you how it is working, right? So I will do the debug. The Chrome session started. See, so now this browser's this URL should get launched, right? So here you can see this URL is get launched, and you can see the Chrome is being controlled by the automated software test, right? So this is done, and now what you will see, you will see like Kumar Bhargav will be typed in the username area. Okay, so in the next step, so what we saw, Kumar Bhargav got typed in the username area, right? And now the Chrome will, the browser will get closed. Browser is closed now, right? So this is it. So this is the automation testing that I'm talking about. So this is a field in the IT industry where you will have the fun by writing the codes and making the browser to do all the actions, right? So the tool that I have used or we will use is Selenium, Java, and in the later part we will use TestNG, we will use Log4j, we will use extent reports, right? Because for the evidence also, if we are doing the testing, we need the evidence like, okay, this is not working, then we can convince the developer like, okay, this is the bug, right? So this is all for the automation testing as of now. So please do comment whatever your doubt you have. We will definitely help you out with all the doubts. Thank you.